Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve all this problem on Play Store or Google Play Store. Just follow this video till the end. So let's start. Now you have to go first and open the settings on your phone. As you see, there is a lot of option. I will just open apps. On apps there is also a lot of applications that you have on your phone. You will go directly to Google Play Store. You open it like this, and then you have to go to storage. On storage, go to clear data like this, click OK, and go back, click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things is to restarting your phone, and then go to Play Store and open it, and you will see that your problem is being solved. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like